I like playing with little cars, building roads and racing fast. No one around, it's time for transformations. We are little monster cars. We are looking for adventures. Play with us, play like us. We are Mocas, beep, beep, beep. We are Mocas monster cars.
Christmas is soon. Jesse brought a beautiful Christmas tree into his room and left. Mocas are also getting ready for Christmas.
Christmas! Is ready!
Monster cars, look! It's a Christmas tree.
Decorate! Ornaments! Oh, yoo-hoo!
Cray opens the closet.
Oh,
This is the box with tree ornaments. Oh, the box is empty.
Mocas!
Cars, we need to find the ornaments. Boo found a bell.
Oh!
Stars are on top of the bookcase.
Transformation.
Excavator X climbs up and knocks the ornaments to Gru. Done! Bussy found a bulb.
Well...
Mocas!
Huh?
Transformation.
Cray lowers the bulb. Take it, Bussy.
Whoa!
Cray noticed another bulb at the other end of the room.
Yoo-hoo!
Now that's a jump.
Mocas? Hey! Let's go!
What's there, Bussy?
Snowflake!
This box might also have tree ornaments.
Ah! Yay! Mocas! Transform!
Transformation.
Hooray! More bulbs!
Opa! Up! Up,
What a beautiful tree it turned out to be.
Mocas! Up!
Cray turns on the lights. Merry Christmas, cars!